Hi everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. I'll show you how to do 3 camera transitions. For the first transition, you must slide your camera in one direction, and in the second slide your camera from the opposite direction. In Adobe Premiere or other video editor, look for the middle of your slide and cut to the other shot. If you want to learn how to use Adobe Premiere Pro, go to the card or visit the first link in the description. For the second transit, rotate your camera in the first shot, and in the second rotate it again in the opposite direction. Then make the same cut. For the third transition, let your camera fall, but be sure that you hold your strap. In the second shot, make the same, but after the camera is falling, catch it and continue filming. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe.